no, no. Ooh, it's kind of an awkward position. Hi guys. Hey guys. It is Melanie. This is a very, very awkward position, but to be completely honest, I'm too lazy to get my tripod out, so it's okay. Hey guys, it's Melanie, and this week is gonna be a whole week of you guys picking out my outfits. Basically, I thought it would be fun to have you guys decide my outfits through polls, because you guys know I love polls. I think they're so much fun, and I also love getting your guys' input. Not gonna lie, I was feeling a tad lazy this week. I couldn't, you know, come up with any outfits. So I went to you guys, and you guys totally helped me out and picked out my outfits for me. So basically, what I did was I asked like two or three questions, basically like warm tones, cool tones, should I wear jeans, leggings, should I bum it or look cute, you know, stuff like that. And based off of that, I picked out like 2 separate outfits and then let you guys choose between those. I think these videos are really interesting, and they're also so much fun to film, where I have like other people dress me. The one where my mom dressed me, a lot of you guys like that. So if you guys want to see other people, or if you guys want to dress me again or something like that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and other social medias if you like seeing my outfits and stuff. Yeah, other than that, let's get straight into this video. Hi folks, looking a little rough right now. I just took a shower, so I'm filming this at night right now. It's like 8. So I'm gonna pick the outfit for the next day, the day before. For the other days, I think I'm gonna do it during daytime just so that the lighting's better, and you know, like it'll smooth a little more, it'll flow a little more smoothly. God, okay. It's Sunday, happy Easter. I'm getting ready for this video. Really excited for it. I have faith that you guys will dress me very well for today. First off, I said average or kind of cute. Everyone's saying look cute, which is like, okay, thanks. And then so far, not that many people have seen this one, so I'm gonna wait like 5 more minutes to let more people vote. First off, I literally look naked right now. I have shorts on, I swear. Also, right now, you guys are balanced on the tippity tip top of my chair. That's you guys right now. Add me on Snapchat. Okay, I'm gonna pull these down so that I don't look naked. Y'all voted for an outfit that is kind of cute and colorful. Color. Okay, so don't hate me for coming up with literally the most basic outfits ever, but yeah, I'm not that creative. I think I need to go back and have my mom decide them. I'll show you guys the 2 outfits that I picked out real quick. I just put like a little layout, so I'm gonna take a picture and make a poll. This is kind of like an ugly, bad version of my old layout Instagram photos. It's been 5 minutes, so let's see the reveal. A little nervous, not gonna lie. All right, guys, here's the reveal. I have to tap through this every time. Bottom. Honestly, not surprised. Everybody freaking loves this top. I'm kind of a little disappointed. I kind of thought this outfit was cute, but apparently not. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing. I'll try it on for you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning, guys. Or not more. It's not morning. Okay, hi guys. Monday. This is my outfit. I'm getting ready for school. I actually probably should have left already, but yeah. Here's what the outfit looks like on. You already saw it last night. I just added a few little accessories, not much though. This is the top. It is from Brandy. These jeans are my mom jeans from PacSun. I'm just wearing some plain white Converse, the normal, I don't know what they're called. And then I just accessorized with this little pearl necklace thingy that I DIY'd. And then I'm also wearing the, I'm wearing this little star ring. Hello, focus. Got from like Zaffle or something. This is outfit for day 1. Pretty basic. Hey folks, it's like 4. I just got home from the library and school and showered, and so I'm going to plan out my outfit for tomorrow. As you can see, we got the much better lighting in here. I never have my tripod. I'm currently in the process of making some polls. It's actually kind of difficult. First off, I'm gonna ask jeans or leggings. I have a feeling that you guys are gonna say jeans, praying that you don't, but. And the next thing I'm gonna ask, sweatshirt or hoodie. Okay, and then I'm gonna wait a little and I'll update you guys on what y'all decided. So y'all said, okay, thanks. So jeans and crew necks. So here are the two outfit choices. They're pretty much the most basic things ever. I'll dress up a teensy bit more for the rest of the week, just for you guys. First one, Cape Cod, Vans, and then skinny jeans. And then this one is like ripped skinny jeans, this Disney crew neck, and then high top Converse. See what you guys decide on. Hey guys, it's quite a bit later. Right now, I'm using my psychic brain powers to predict. I feel like the Cape Cod sweatshirt one. Honestly, this whole video is just a huge shout out to get more people to follow my Instagram, so. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and this is my outfit. This is the most casual it's gonna get, I promise. Really, really basic. Cut my hair in a low pony. Wearing this Cape Cod sweatshirt from Goodwill, thrifted a few years back. These jeans are just plain light wash skinny jeans from Garage. And then my shoes are just some slip-on white Vans. Oh, hey there. Hey guys, so I just got back from school and I'm gonna make the polls for tomorrow's outfit right now. All right, so either beachy or girly. All right, little update. You guys have responded. Beachy. Beachy. I think I'm gonna ask, for my second question, I'm gonna ask skinny jeans or boyfriend jeans. All right, back again. Boyfriend jeans. All right, let's pick some outfits. Oh. Funny story, realized I only have one pair of boyfriend jeans, but that's a-okay. These are the two outfits I came up with. This one's a little more fancy. This off the shoulder top, Birks, and then of course my beachy basic girl necklaces. Other option is a plain v-neck little top thingy, another version of the little, you know, necklace thingies, and then some Converse. All right, so we're checking the results now. Ooh, that's pretty close. I figured this one would win though. All right, so that's what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Ow, no, God, that hurt. Hey guys, not a surprise, I'm running late to school again. Didn't even put eyebrows on today. Looking a little funky, but here's what the beachy outfit looks like. Top is thrifted, but it's from Brandy. The bralette is from Abercrombie. Both of these necklaces I DIY'd. I have a video up on this one, so you should go watch it. These jeans are from Hollister. My shoes are Birkenstocks. These jeans are actually like really, really big, so I had to like clip the back. The top kind of covers it, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like that because I don't want to wear a belt with this. I don't think that would go with this. But yeah, that's the outfit for today. I do look like a beachy girl. Gosh, these necklaces. And I'll see you guys when I pick out my next outfit. Hey guys, 3 now. I just got home from school and the gym and I'm going to pick out my outfit for tomorrow. I'm just gonna put it out there. I'm gonna say bum it or try, but I'm like 20,000% sure y'all are gonna make me try. So it's been a few minutes, the results are in. You guys said that I should try. Rip. The next thing I'm gonna ask, okay, I'm gonna do sneakers or boots, and then I'm gonna ask one more question because, you know, why freaking not? Warm tones or cool tones? And we're back again, and the results are 80% sneakers and 56% warm tones. Now let's look at some outfits that are me trying with sneakers and warm tones. Okay. Alright, so here's what I came up with. First one is just a yellow zip-up hoodie, light wash skinny jeans, dainty necklace with some Air Force sneakers. And then the other outfit is leggings, a tee, and then this choker with some Vans sneakers. Going to take a little pic and see what you guys choose. I'm back. It has been a little while now, and whoa, I'm kind of surprised by this. You guys chose bottom, so this is what I'll be wearing tomorrow. You'll see what it looks like tomorrow. Hey guys, day 4 of this. So it is Thursday, and I just put my outfit on. This is what it looks like. It's pretty simple, so I decided to add quite a few accessories. Plain kind of like burnt orange t-shirt. It's by ASOS, but I thrifted it. And these are just some Lululemon aligned leggings, and then my checkered slip-on Vans. And then, as I said, I kind of piled on the accessories. So first off, I just have a black scrunchie. I have this necklace that I DIY'd, and then I have stacked on the freaking bracelets and stuff. These rings are from, I think they're all from South. Also, look at my nails. I decided to be a little fancy and do my nails last night. So I will see you guys again later in the day when I pick out my last outfit for this video. Yeah. Hey folks, just got home from volunteering. It's like 2 and I'm about to make some lunch, but I figured I should pick my outfit. Actually, my last outfit for this video. Alright folks, outfit choosing time. I actually put some thought into this one. I'm a little more prepared this time. Okay, I'm gonna say sporty slash skater or brandy slash girly. I feel like y'all are gonna choose brandy slash girly. I feel like I really know you guys because I keep guessing what y'all are gonna say, and most of the time I'm right. We're just building that bond, you know? Whoa. Kind of sad this is my last one. All right, so the response. Dun dun dun. Y'all said brandy slash girly. So the next thing I'm gonna ask is stripes or solids. I'm gonna predict that you guys are gonna say stripes. Ah! Solids? What? Alrighty, my dears, I got my 2 outfits ready. That took a fat freaking minute. We have my 2 outfits here. So this is the first fit. We're just gonna call it good with that. Can't be too picky, okay guys? This second outfit is a little more on the holy schmoly. I thrifted this and I thought it was so cute. Didn't even realize there's freaking holes in it. That kind of just ruined my mood. Okay. But this outfit is a little more preppy. And oh my gosh, I'm dumb. I didn't even take a picture of the first layout. Okay, well, take a picture of this and we'll see what you guys choose. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. Y'all said top. Wow, okay, so that's the last outfit. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Hi friends, so this is the last day of you guys choosing my outfits, and I think we ended it off pretty well because I think this is my favorite outfit. I really like it. Kind of knit cardigan-ish top. Cute little necklace on. Jeans are PacSun mom jeans, and then my shoes are just some high top Converse. All right guys, so that was the video, and those were my 5 outfits that you guys picked out. I hope you guys like how they turned out, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video and you like outfit videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you want to have other people dress me or if you want other videos similar to this. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yay, bye!